Good day and good evening, everyone. Welcome to day 11 of the 30-day backtest challenge with Divine Crypto, which is an ongoing series aimed at helping traders who are finding it difficult to be able to backtest and carve themselves an edge in trading to be able to do so courtesy of studying previous price action and extracting that historical data into futuristic price events and being able to determine higher probability chances of price action based on the fact that these historical facts, as we all know, price is fractal and what has happened before would most likely happen again. So this challenge is to help us study this previous price action, take note of what has happened before, and be able to adjust to incoming or upcoming price event, price action. And today I would like to share something with my little audience and community members, which is that we currently are enjoying this backtest challenge courtesy of the sponsorship that I have just reached with Backtest Tools NG, which is an indigenous Nigerian based brand that's helping traders bridge the gap to be able to access proper historical data when it comes to analyzing the charts, analyzing their trades. And one of the benefits of this platform is that it's very much affordable. If you're looking at purchasing your premium trading view um, on the normal notes, it's quite a bit more expensive, but courtesy of backtest tools, you get to like boycott that way high expense, and you can even work with shared accounts where you share accounts with people and you get to also enjoy the services of a premium trading view account for free. Sorry, for a lesser price. I mean, for a lesser price. And over and across this series, they have given me access to one of their premium trading view accounts, which is what I am using at this point to um, display this whole backtest challenge moving onwards. And I want to say thank you to everyone for joining in. I want to say thank you to everyone for staying up until this time. It's been hectic and very well tasking, but this is something that I am willing to do to help myself and not just myself. Um, Traders and struggling traders out there who are looking to understand price action, because me, I am seeing that this thing works because over and across this period in time, yes, I've been able to get some trades, but not really about getting my trades right. I've been able to also understand price action better, and the joy that comes with understanding certain areas or characteristics or behaviors of price is priceless, to be honest, because it makes you understand that, oh, you are getting this right, you are on the right track, and very much yes, the losses will come, that's right, but then having it be that yes, most of the time your probability gain is higher, is intact, will give you a higher chance at success in trading. And over here today, what I'll be sharing is a very simple methodology to be able to catch an uptrend, trade an uptrend through a fair value gap. But before I proceed, today being 5th December, we experienced a very historic event. The price of Bitcoin breaking above the $100,000 mark. This is a very big historical event in the lifetime of us as crypto enthusiasts, crypto traders, crypto investors. We are witnessing history happening live, and it's really a thing of joy. It's more like, oh, the 2025 New Year alt season bull run is already in motion, because seeing this pointers to have us understand that this is the time where that generational shift of wealth occurs is something to be joyful, to be glad to witness. Only if you are on the outside, if you are on the external point of this industry. But very well, I want to make it understand and make it known to you that If you're looking at getting into the crypto industry and making or taking the most of this incoming bull season, altcoin season, and you don't really have guides, you don't really have where to start, you don't really have, you know, that proper knowledge, understanding, or you do, but it's a bit rusty, and you need someone to, sharpen it, refine it, walk you through, or you need to get certain clarity questions on what next to buy, what ought to do well, how best to make the most of this incoming alt season. Then Divine Crypto is your guy, as I am holding and hosting a free 30-minute consultation series with my audience to distill and share over and across my 5 year expertise and experience in this crypto industry for free. So if you are looking at getting better at this grind, kindly check the link in the description and hit that consultation series to book your session, and let's talk, let's discuss, let me see how I can help you understand the complexities of the crypto blockchain and Web3 industry. So over here today, um, back to what I said, but before I proceed, please remember that this Backtest session is proudly sponsored by backtesttools.ng. You can check the link in the description for the link to their website, and also the publication for this collaboration will be going out live across all my socials later. And I'd like everyone to congratulate the Backtest Tools and Divine Crypto brand for this mutually beneficial collaboration that's aimed at pushing towards, the enlightenment and bridging the gap towards the financial inclusion over here in Nigeria. So now, back to today's drill. Now, this is where my interest is. This is um, the Ethereum chart, and over here we are looking at seeing how we could have continued in this uptrend, and we saw this liquidation here, but quite well, this is not where I'm looking at. It is this move to the upside, because over after the break above the structure point, over here, price came to tap into this point before moving back to create this high that was later invalidated. So being able to find why price acted this way is why we are here today. And please take note that this backtest challenge has been ongoing, and our aim here is to study from price, not to um, depict what price will do, but rather to pick from what price have done and add that to our arsenal, and add that to our trading machineries when approaching the financial market. So this is on the daily time frame, and this is where we are looking at. So let me take this back a little. I'm enjoying my own backtest privilege. If you like, don't go and hit backtesttools.ng for your own free, for your own premium trading view account. Stay there to play. So now over here we can see price coming to um, tap into this fair value gap that broke above the structure points over here. So now this is what we are taking note of. We are seeing that the fair value gap had broken above the structure point. Yes, and that's on the daily time frame. Moving on to the 4 hour. Moving on to the 4 hour time frame. Ooh, we can see that clear fair value gap showing that, oh, there's a lot of liquidity internal in this place. So very well, yes, over here. And now, um, one other thing we should take note of is we are seeing that clearly this was the point where uh, price had broken above this high, one. Then two, uh, we can see that this move that's creating us a liquidity spot here didn't break above this high, indicating that, for this uptrend to continue, this high has to be broken, and this was where facilitated that push to the upside. So very well, we are looking at seeing where exactly and why exactly price reacted to this point over here. So let me run this back a little bit for us now, and on the 1 hour time frame, we are seeing that okay. Now, I won't lie, on a good day, seeing this week in front of this imbalance is something I would take note of, most likely as an added entry point on this call. So, because for me, I'm here to take note of what price is showing me and not to um, form theories that nobody, sent me to, and have it be that yes, from just studying price, taking notes of patterns, repetitions, and models that are reoccurring, we can be able to understand the basics or reasons why price acts the way it acts. And for me, this is something that has been, a bit functional because I kid you not, have been getting better at you know, understanding price and also getting better at taking trades a bit more reserved, confidently, and without this push urge. Why? Because I'm not looking to take on the next uh, trade every time. I try to see reasons why I am taking trades. If these reasons are valid reasons that most likely have previously been replicated on charts or something. So now, like I said, this would have been one place I picked my this would have been one place I picked my interest from this week, and going to the 15-minute time frame, you can see that that week is not really clear, so I still have to run this back a little down to the 5-minute time frame. Oh, saying that the historical data point that we are looking for is unavailable. Alright, so now this should have been area of interest one. Yeah, use my knife right now of mercy. Oh, my light is bad, but like I'm trying to fix it. It's not going to. So once I fix it, I will have better light. So for now, make them manage. Alright, so you can see this fair value gap that hasn't been mitigated. This was literally where price came back to react to on this model over here. So this is like a very easy peasy something, and if time permits me, time permits me, I might share a similar display of this in recent price action. So let's see what the risk exposure for this would have been about or been around. Oops, that's massive. Alright, so around 0.7 isn't bad. Okay, 0.69 isn't bad. And I think the point for this was a bit very high. I think around 12 are on this move. If we should check for the delivery on price. So now this is what I am taking note on this price action as it being the reason why uh, price respected this point and mitigated it to break above the high that was created recently. So let's see if we were solid on this. Okay, I would have to adjust this point because I know that I don't think it went up as high as this. Oh, it did. It did. It did. All right. So whilst we await this, if you're just joining in or if you're following up on this series, kudos to you. Thank you. And wow, 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 wow. You can see that. Wow. Thanks to you. And kindly hit the subscribe button and take notes, please. The model or the essence, sorry, for this session is for us to learn, for us to study, learn, take notes from price action, and help us get better as traders. So, but then I know being able to study and understand some of these things might be tactical, which is the reason why I'm making it known that I'm looking at having a bit that over and across this 30-day period, the models that we learn from, we pick to study, I would extract the reasons why price reacted towards or on this point and share them with the members of the Divine Trader community and have it be that people who are interested in getting better at trading can pick from it and learn from it and be able to define or carve themselves an edge. And also, this is also to say that if you're looking at making the most of the incoming bull market and you are finding it difficult with your research or you don't have enough time, knowledge, skill to perform proper research to know the next altcoin gen to 10x or 2x or 5x, then at Divine Trader, we've got something incoming for you, which is the 10x alt season workshop, which is a 2-day workshop holding live on the Divine Trader YouTube community, YouTube channel. So you can head over there and stay tuned to learn how you by yourself can fundamentally research assets that will win in this incoming bull season and altcoin market. Cheers to doing this another time. Thank you very much. We can see very well how price respected to this point and very much we should take note of this as we um, advance and add it to the bag as a model which price um, has presented us. So now, this is something that will be studied over and over and over again to take note on and see much more reasons why price reacted the way it reacted to. But then, I'm very much happy to see that yes, this session is still in motion, and thank you to each and everyone who is following up with this. And also, once again, thank you to backtesttools.ng for the sponsorship offer to handle and provide us with a premium trading view plan for this whole backtest challenge. And if you're looking at subscribing your TradingView and getting access to premium service on TradingView for a much more affordable price, kindly check the link in this description and hit backtesttools.ng brand and have them deliver you premium for less. Thank you and see you next time on this channel at Divine Crypto. Hit the subscribe button. See you tomorrow, same time, same station. Cheers to your greatness.